trying to change your mind, spread wide. Baby, open up and let me come inside. Is that a no entry sign? All I see is a door, what is hiding behind? It's intellect and consciousness, what I will find. Memory and emotion behind your eyes. Thought and imagination running wild. Let me stop by, why won't you grant entrance? So be silly, don't be stupid. Up at the night, you got me feeling so excluded. I got a thing, you gotta see what you can do with. Get your hands up on it, then you really wanna use it. Again and again and again, see you later, that's it for today. I'm packing my tools, this gentleman never been a friend but a player. What is the game? Let me in on the rules. Separated by a wall, a helmet or a robe. Why is it contaminating our globe? Why are we conversating to a hole? Let me in on the action, let me see what is happening. Really feeling like tapping in, but I can't get in, or I can't get out. Who's really trapped within? Who the one isolated in a bubble? Is it the same way around or the other? Wanna get out of it all out, but I would rather you let me in. Do I have to be a secret agent, man, just to get under the cover? Why do I bother? Need to walk through tutorial, key lock pick. Do you see this dynamite to get right inside? I blow my way right into the center of the secret. Do you like it hard? Put on the guard. I don't talk much, but do you want me to start? You don't want me in, but I'm ready to charge. You're taking my piece, so I'm playing your part. Could you be afraid of the fact that maybe could have been a threat that you just couldn't keep out? You and I both know how good I can do deep within. You better give me the benefit, better be letting me in right now.
I love you, but I don't know what to do, yeah.